Hi guys, welcome back. It's time to learn how to use folders to perfectly manage your playlists in the Apple Music app on your iPhone and iPad. In iOS 26, Apple has added the pretty handy playlist folders functionality, allowing you to keep your favorite songs perfectly organized. So whether you are juggling workout mixes, seasonal soundtracks, or genre-specific selections, folders can come in super handy in letting you keep everything perfectly organized, in sync, and clutter-free. That said, let's get started. So first off, let's learn how to create a new folder in the Apple Music app on your iPhone and iPad. So just open the Apple Music app on your device and then you have to head over to the playlist section. After that, you have to tap on the plus icon at the top. Then you have to choose new folder from the pop-up menu. Then you have to give your folder a name. Then you have to tap on the create option, and that's about it. Now it's time to learn how to easily move your favorite Apple Music playlist into a folder on your device. With your folder created, you can easily move in some playlists. So just long press on a specific playlist and then you have to choose Move to option from the pop-up menu. Then you have to select the folder from all playlists. In the end, you have to hit the red move button, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily use folders to perfectly manage your playlist in the Apple Music app on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, keep all your playlists perfectly organized and also spice up your music time. And I'll catch you up in the next one.